Ego destroys friendships and relationships. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. You learn a lot by being silent. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Beauty doesn't last forever, but a beautiful personality does. When the roots are deep, there is no reason to fear the wind. Your greatest test will be how you handled people who mistreated you. You are your own best friend. Never ever put yourself down. Maturity is a mindset. It has nothing to do with age. It's better to walk alone than with the crowd going in the wrong direction. Comparison will kill you. Be you. You are always responsible for how you act, no matter how you feel. You have power to control your emotions. Use it. Better to be king of silence than the slave of your words. Focus more on people who inspire rather than who annoy you. You will get much further in life. Be thankful you're still breathing because someone out there just took their last breath. At your lowest, you realize a lot. Be thankful for the little things. Control your emotions. Learn to react less. Before you can lead others, lead yourself. Successful people have no time for nonsense issues. Strong people don't put others down, they lift them up. Falling down is an accident. Staying down is a choice. Don't waste your time with explanations. People only hear what they want to hear. Don't overshare. Privacy is power.